Trisha E back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. This week's video is so simple because all I'm doing this week on this video is just organizing my free prints, okay? I have been collecting free prints for about, I want to say about 5 months now. And I just buy them and buy them and buy them, but I never put them in one place or have them all where I can just get to them easily. And now, since I've started like changing the pictures in my frames every month, I kind of need everybody to have their own little place and everything to be organized. So that's what I'm doing in this video. But I'm going to be opening a lot of free prints that were coming in like recently. And I'm also going to be putting some in frames. So that's what this video is, just organizing. And I hope you enjoy. I ordered a poster. I got the 12 by 18 size poster of a screenshot from Namjoon's workout video he gave us. And I went crazy. I really was excited to get this. Like, I wanted it so bad. I ordered it the day he released that video for us to just like see his back. So I got smaller ones too and some other stuff in this order too. But the highlight was the poster. Oh my God. A lot of times when I'm ordering free prints, I know I do entirely too much. I order a whole lot of my bias and my wrecker. Okay, Kim Namjoon and Jung Jungkook gotta be ordered all the time. I'm sorry, they just do. And then I got this obsession with Kim Tae-young, so he's always in the mix. But usually when something comes out that I know I have to order it that day, that's when I place an order. Just like when those army pictures that J-Hope put up came out, I was like, nope, time to make an order because I'm gonna need these soon as they can get them to me. Okay, so that's what this order was based on. But I just love my pictures. I don't know, I just like having these physical pictures. I don't know why. I'm obsessed. I have to have them. I have to have them. And then there are those times that I place orders that have nothing to do with nothing. I just placed them because it's a picture that I wanted at the time, or I just gotta have this specific picture of somebody. And I just go ahead and throw in like a bunch of other pictures, because if you place in an order, you might as well get all the pictures that you want at the time. Okay? So, I know I'm free prints crazy, but I just love having these physical pictures. They mean everything. So I'm finally about to start organizing the free prints, and all I'm doing is I'm just going to separate it where everybody has their own stack. Of course, my bias and wrecker stack is outrageous, but everybody has a stack, okay? So I'm going to separate the ones I just got and then start pulling out the ones that I've had for like ever and start separating. And see what I mean? My bias and wrecker stack is going to be out of control. That's a lot of Jungkook, but I love him. And I was so happy in this order because I forgot that I needed a lot more group pictures. So I finally placed the order that had like 10, 15 group pictures in it because I need group pictures too. Like the group pictures have a frame too. And if I'm being completely honest, Kim Tae-young got a nice little stack too. Kim Tae-young got a stack. I absolutely need to do an order with just Min Yoongi and Kim Seokjin. Like, they need an order just for the two of them. I don't know why. Like, I'm so particular with their pictures. Like, I don't just order everything. Like, I always just get my ultimate favorite pictures of them. So I definitely need to do a Kim Seokjin and a Min Yoongi order like soon as possible. I know I do. But they do still have stacks, okay? And you know what else? I feel like this was the greatest year to do like free prints and have physical copies of like their pictures and stuff like that, because the visuals BTS has been giving in 2023 alone. It's just out of this world. Phenomenal, gorgeous visuals. So of course I need to be able to hold these in my hand, have them on the shelf, like not have to pick up my phone and flip through my phone to see them. Like yeah, I love it. I love it. These are the birthday cards I had made for myself. I love them. Organizing the pictures actually took me longer than I thought it was going to take me, but I finally finished. Everybody is in their own little sacks. So now I'm going to put them all in their own little envelope and label them. And then I'm going to pick out what pictures I'm actually going to put in the frames this time. So like I took this stack of Kim Tae-young, put it in one of the Free Prince pouches, put his name on it, and boom, now he's separated from everybody else. So I'm just going to do that for everybody. And then I'm going to also pick the pictures for their frames for September. I actually messed up writing on Min Yoongi's envelope. I don't know why I wanted to put an N at the end of his name. It made me so mad, so I had to do a heart. But I got another package since then, so I just replaced it. I was trying to decide which 5x7 was going in Jungkook's frame, but listen, I knew which one was going in there. I don't even know why I was fooling myself. And the 4x6, because the 5x7 was so beautiful, I wanted something a little chill for the 4x6. So these were the pictures that I chose for him. He looks so good. And the 5x7s for Kim Namjoon, they were ordered for September specifically, so I didn't have to like pick and choose over those. I knew exactly which ones were going in his 5x7s. The 4x6 though, really hard choosing his 4x6 this month. I don't know why. It just was. It was probably because I have so very many, I just could not narrow it down. See, I chose one, but I'm going to choose a different one in a minute. So you'll see that. I just could not choose his this month. So these are the shelves where I keep my frames. Namjoon has 2 shelves. I have 4 members on that shelf. Taeyoung got a shelf and Jungkook got a shelf all by themselves. And every month I try to change like the pictures on these shelves. I also update photo cards sometimes when I do the shelves as well. And this month I am changing Namjoon's photo card. I am finally starting to change the frames. That was Namjoon's last month. Oh my god, I love that picture of him so much. And that's this month. All together for September, for Namjoon, I'm changing the photo card, 2 5x7s, a 4x6, and an 8x10. And I promise you, changing these frames, they do take time, but that's fangirl behavior. Like, if it's something you're really interested in doing and you find it like comforting, you'll do it. And I do it every month. Like, I like a different picture every month. That was his 4x6 last month, and I was gonna go with that one, but then I remembered I did have this tiny photo album of 4x6s that I can flip through, so I ended up choosing one out of here. The one from the front just warms my soul. So that was the 4x6 for this month. Saying goodbye to this 5x7 just hurt my heart. I don't know. When that picture came out, it was the cutest picture of Kim Namjoon in the entire world. So I thought it was going to be up there forever, but I am going to switch it out. I do have it in a 4x6. It probably will be the 4x6 for October because I already missed it. But I needed this 5x7 in a frame. Oh my god. I needed it. So these were the shelves before and after for both of his shelves. Now it's time to do Jungkook's frame. He's getting a 4x6 and he's getting a 5x7. I do not change his photo card because I have never pulled him to this day. Okay? And I don't change his 8x7 because it's the Calvin Klein and that's there for life. And this month, the pictures that I chose for him are perfect. Like, I love them. They were perfect. Eee! Look at him. Here's Jungkook's shelves before and after. I love it. Now it's time to change Kim Tae-young. I only changed his 4x6. His 8x10 and his 5x7 are permanent fixtures for me right now because I love them so much. So I'm just changing his 4x6. Here it is. And while organizing the pictures, I found this 5x7. I did not know I had it, so I have to get a frame for that immediately. Now it's time to pick out the pictures for Yoongi, Jimin, J-Hope, and Jin because they all sit on the same shelf together. So I'm just going to go through and pick the pictures of them. Picking that J-Hope picture may not have been the best now that it's been on the shelf for like a couple weeks because I'm like, oh, the feelings, but yeah, I chose that one. This was actually a really good pick for Jimin. Like, I was so happy with picking that one for this month. Like, yes. Saying goodbye to this Yoongi was hard. Like, I love that picture, but I knew I did want to change him this month, but I miss that picture now. That was a good picture. But this one is nice too. Oh, and that's my favorite Jin picture of all time. I said goodbye to my favorite Jin picture of all times because I really do like this picture from the astronaut too. So now it's time to change the group picture. That picture been in there forever. I never changed this picture, then it dawned on me. You need to get group pictures too. So finally I changed to a group picture, and I changed to one of my favorites because if you've seen the Bangtan bomb that picture was taken on, oh, that was such a good Namjoon day. But this is the before and after. Finally, after all the pictures were in the frames and on the shelves, it's now time to put the organized pictures that I just put in the envelopes in this box so I can have them in one place and they'll be easy access for every month that comes after this one. So I put everything in here, put a top on it, and they were good to go. Finally! Speaking of finally, it took me forever to get this frame. I have been wanting a frame for my poster that I bought that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. I bought the poster and I could never get a frame for it because I was not just putting it on the wall, okay? So finally, they had the frame. I ordered it. It came the day that I ordered it, and I was able to put my poster in the frame. Okay, I was so excited. I was putting it in there without the cardboard and everything. Listen, this was a very important moment for me. I was ready for this man to be on the wall. Do you hear me? The excitement could not be contained. Look, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look. Alright, so, and now I'm just gonna let you see like all the shelves completely done. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it. And then he is on the wall, finally. And this part of my room makes me so happy. Like, I look over there, I see my guys. You can tell who my bias is. Like, and this is the last of the last for the video. I had got another little free print right at the end of putting this video together, so I figured I'll go ahead and open it and show them. I had ordered these because I got 2 5x7s for free, and it was some that I knew I needed, so I went ahead and ordered those things. But yeah, I just got this really quick order last minute, and I put it in here. Look at Kim Tae-young. Oh my god, yes. Rainy days. Oh my god. But yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this wasn't too boring, but I just wanted to show like my free prints. These were the 5x7s that I got, by the way. Namjoon has been dropping the pictures, has he not? Oh my god. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Another video next Sunday. Thanks, guys.